Linking your bank to Paxum is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account to your Paxum account. Step 1. Create or log into your Paxum account. Visit the Paxum website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Ensure that your account is verified to proceed with linking your bank. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Once logged in, go to the bank account section in your account settings. This is where you will manage your linked bank accounts and initiate the linking process. Step 3. Add a new bank account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Paxum may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Paxum into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Once your bank account is verified, go back to the bank accounts section and confirm that your bank is listed. Save any changes to ensure your bank account is linked successfully. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Paxum and start managing your transactions efficiently. If you encounter any issues, refer to Paxum support for assistance.